All right, let's check this one out. Here's one I can honestly say I've never taken a video before. They say we're unique, especially in classics, and here we have a unique one. 1942 Harley-Davidson WLA military bike. Very, very original bike, except for the color, and the sidecar is a reproduction. We'll get to that in a little bit. There are some very interesting things on this bike. One of them being, as you can see up front here, the blackout lights, and those are military ones still on it. This switch underneath here that goes back and forth from the headlight to the blackout light is on there, and it is working. Slip around here to the WLA model tag. Speedometer appears to be original also. Like I said, the bike has been repainted, otherwise it would have been the military green color. Come back down to this right here, original. So a lot of original things on this bike. I'm going to come down to this number also on the engine number, if you can see it there, 42, and then the numbering behind it is believed to be all original to this bike. If you want to check out the still pictures, I have this still pictured up very well. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726, and we'll sure see if we can answer your questions. We'll see if we can get the answers to them. One other thing that has been changed, so it can be, excuse me, so it can be driven on the streets legally, is the rear taillights. The blackout taillights are also with this, and you can see those in the still pictures. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Very, very cool military bike, and a 42 besides. Won't come across one of these every day. Now, as you can see, this sidecar, I'm going to come back here a little bit. You can see the setup on it. You can see it's got a little bit of a stagger to it where it's higher on the outside where that wheel is at. That's due to the fact that when someone sits in there, it's going to compress that shock and that spring and even it back out. Just so you know, that's why it's like that. It is very adjustable in here as far as having it to your liking and how would you like to have the sidecar set up for going down the road. So it is, like I said, it is adjustable. It is a later model reproduction glass sidecar. It's actually made by Motivation Engineering is the brand of it, and there's manuals on the sidecar and the bike also. The manuals you can check out, see what comes with it, where those still pictures are at, uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, feel free to call us too. We'll sure see what we can do to answer your questions. 507-386-1726. Behind the seat, there is a little storage area. And then, of course, the side door opens here for getting in and out a little easier. Back to the bike. Engine in this, it is a 45 cubic inch engine, and that's paired with a 3-speed manual hand shift foot clutch. So just the way it would have been set up back in 42. Just don't get to see one of these every day. Kind of interesting. We need to know what the story is behind the leather bags, but they're believed to possibly have been original on this bike in military bags. Unfortunately, I can't confirm and deny that. If you have someone that is more of a military bike expert, hey, have them check it out. Have them check out the pictures. We'd be happy to, like I said, answer any questions that we may be able to answer for them. There you have it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's fire this thing up so we can hear it run. It does run and drive very nicely. So I'm going to pause this video and it's fired up. You can see it start and hear it run. All right, we got the expert to start this one here. So you guys see it start. See it start and hear it run. There is an advancement of timing and what have you on the left handlebar.
I'm going to redo it. I'm going to do it just like it's a
Okay,
cold
he's
start.
going to go from a cold start. We thought it may fire off on the first time. We're going to go back to just like it's a cold start, which you prime it with the key off, turn it over a few times, 3 times it is, and then we'll go ahead and turn the key back on and away you go. There it is. You just had to back it off and do a cold start with it. Look at that. How smooth that purrs. Hear it? Just sounds beautiful. Wow. There you have it. Got it running and everything. One more time, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. 1942 Harley-Davidson WLA military bike. Running and driving. Go after back sidecar, but the bike, very, very original. Give us a call.